Well, okay guys, I've already started removing my braids. So I do have one up front, and then here at the top where I had the got to be gel, and sometimes, well, yeah, the got to be gel, it's kind of matted a little bit here, so once I wet it, it will come loose. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove this last braid. And matter of fact, my hair has been braided, I think, since Christmas. But I did share how I moisturize my hair for the winter. So I'm gonna have that video linked here somewhere so you guys can see it. It'll be in the icon and also down below in the description section, so you guys can check that video out. And my hair stayed so moisturized, guys. I am so impressed how moisturized my hair was when I started taking down my braids. It really is moisturized, no joke. And during the time my braids was up, I did kind of moisturize my hair again on top, you know, and made sure that I moisturized my scalp. And yeah guys, I've gotten it all down and treated my hair to this Indian heating clay, this Aztec secret, and my episode of Vinegar, and do my mixture. I'm gonna do that today, which is my wash day, and I will be braiding my hair back up so that I can protect my hair and wear my wig. So you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hair and come back and share with you guys, you know, after the fact. So yeah, be right back guys. So you guys, when I did say I was gonna go ahead and wash my hair, what I was gonna do first is detangle my hair. I wet my hair so all the product can loosen up in my hair, and I kind of rinse a lot of it out, and then I went behind it and used my Pantene Truly Natural Cold Wash Cleanser Conditioner, which is a great detangler for me. It's one of my holy grails that I use all the time. If any of you guys don't know, and if you're new to my channel, I use that faithfully, consistently, all the time. And I went ahead and applied some to my hair. I didn't have much left in my bottle, so I just used as much as I could out of that bottle. And so far I'm detangling my hair, and it's real easy. The reason why I went ahead and detangled my hair first, because I thought about it. Whenever you have braids in your hair and you have them up for such a long time, don't go straight into shampooing your hair. Make sure that you detangle your hair first. You don't have to really even wet your hair first. You can detangle your hair with oil of your choice. Most of the time I use like olive oil and detangle my hair with. But this time I didn't do that, and I just rinsed my hair so I can remove some of the product out of my hair and make sure it's kind of thoroughly removed. And then I went in and added my cold wash cleansing conditioner for detangling, and just to give me an easy process when detangling my hair. And so far it's detangling well, and I'm going to show you guys, you know, I just did it in sections. So I'm gonna go ahead and just twist this section up like I did the back section. And then I'm doing it in 3 sections. And I start from the ends. And by the way, this here is a diamond brush. I've had this when I purchased it from Sally's, I think. Just kind of be gentle when you're doing it. I did run my fingers through my hair when I was rinsing and trying to remove some of the product out my hair, so that kind of loosened it up a lot, and then I didn't have as many tangles. See how how this brush is gliding through my hair. That's what you want when you detangle. So you guys, I'm going to go ahead and finish up and I'll be right back.
So you guys, this is the way that I prep my hair to get it ready, you know, for my protective style, which is when I get ready to wear my wigs. I braid my hair up, and once I do all of my other hair care regimen. So yeah, and I'll share with you guys on how I'm gonna grow my hair. And this won't be the only product that I'll be using. I will try to do a little switching up every now and then, but I would probably use this for at least a month. This virgin hair fertilizer, I would probably use it for a month to see how it works for me. I know it should take longer than a month, but I only bought one tube, and I purchased this from Amazon, and I heard some great reviews on it, and it do have herbal extract, petroleum jelly, peppermint oil, liniment, and fragrance. And it do has a smell to it, but it's not strong. It's something that's bearable, and I can probably deal with it. And it's soothing to my scalp, and I'm gonna just let it soak up, and I make sure I apply quite a bit so it can just soak into my scalp and my hair. And you know, since I had my hair chopped off, I'm trying to let it grow back, but really I need to get it trimmed evenly so my hair can grow back evenly. So
I'll probably do that soon. And I'm not quite sure when I'm going to do that. But yeah, guys, I wanted to come and share with you on how I prep my hair for my wig. And I probably shared a video a while back on that. But, you know, some things have changed. And then this is just another braid pattern that I'm using. Sometimes I braid straight back. Sometimes I braid, you know, just all the way down on each side. Because on the last pattern I had, it was just all braided, parted down the middle and braided down the side. So yeah, guys, I want to thank you all for watching. Any questions, comments, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already to my channel. And also hit on that notification bell so you guys can be notified when I upload videos. And yes, until next time, you guys be blessed. And don't forget to be a blessing. And I will see all of you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.